Goedemiddag, which means good afternoon in Dutch. We are at Kelly Spring Park. And we took a little different entrance than most people because they said that they were closed. So yeah, we took our own little entrance. And now we're walking this nature trail. It's pretty neat. We hear stuff and people are walking there. Oh, there's a car. Is that the road we were on? I guess so. Off path. Onto the path. Little turtle! Oh, he's so cute! Hi, guy! See you later! He's like, oh my god, they're scary!
Ja, maar ze kunnen best hard hoor.
So we've been following this trail and we haven't seen the spring yet, or the springs, but we saw a turtle as you just witnessed yourself. The raccoon! Hi there! Hi there! Oh, you're so cute! Oh, how cute! You're so cute, little raccoon! Oh. So right now we are at Kelly Springs Park, and this water is seriously very cold, but it feels good. You can show the rest if you want to. We just swam with otters! That is so cool! In the same water. Where are they at? Let me see. Oh yeah, there they are!
Watch where that leads me.
Ja. Oh, wat mooi!
Ja, zie je. Ik zag hem net wegduiken.
Drie.
Ja, maar ik zag nou net twee naar beneden duiken.
Ik zag er ook een wegduiken.
Ja. Oh, en dat was gewoon tussen de mensen. Wat mooi!
We watched them get from the land and they came and jumped in the water.
Wat leuk!
They're playing in the leaves.
Yeah,
See
they
the
are.
leaves? They're playing in the leaves.
Ja.
Ja.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, they're all playing.
Ja. Hier. Kijk hier.
That's so cute!
Ja.
Oh my goodness! Where are the fishes at? Thank you. You see the fish?
They're over there.
Oh.
Watch your rock. Right there.
There, boy. God. Beautiful head on fire.
You see any more otters? And then we were walking back to the car, although we kind of have to walk a little further for that because we didn't technically use the proper parking spot. Hopefully everything still is okay with that car. That was fun though. That was very, very neat. What did you think of it?
I really liked it.
What did you think of the water temperature?
It was really cold.
My guess it was about 40 degrees, or was that too cold?
Something probably close.
Yeah. Type of a flying bug thingy. So yeah, Kelly Park is where we're at.
No fishing, no canoes,
Ja, dan sta je ervoor al.
no alcohol beverages. No skateboards and no scuba diving.
Lots of no
And no
rules.
pets.
Lots of no rules. And that's the entrance in front of us, where we had to stand in a line for 15 minutes and then we were kicked out. That girl over there is like, screw this, I'm not waiting. Yay! We made it to the car. That was actually a pretty long walk. I mean, that's all we ran, or not ran, walked. And there's a bent tree there, but we found a car. And for your information, there's probably a better way to get into this park, like actually waiting in line and getting in through that. But we waited in line, we were kicked out because they didn't do lines, they said. But where did we walk in? I think we walked in right here. Right there. And that hunk scared me. But yeah, that was fun. I liked it. I enjoyed myself. Hello, we are on our way to Taco Bell because these Dutch people have not ever tried that yet. And they will today or tonight. Technically tonight because it's already 8:14 p.m. And while I'm filming, I wanted to share the sky with you guys because it looks beautiful.
Ja, hij gaat ook. Dus dan gaat hij middag krijgen.
Oh, it doesn't focus. Great. Well, this looks pretty cute too, actually. Yay! Where are we? Where are we? We are at Phew! Well, that didn't mean much. We're at Walmart getting some stuff.
Hey, would you want to grab a movie for everyone to watch?